Hello, good evening. A new video just to discuss about something received today. As you can see, this is the topic, and to show us this topic, we have two devices you are aware of. Yes, tata. Okay, let's drop them here and unbox what do we have inside the power off. Let's show this one here. Cutter, cutter, very strong. Before we destroy everything, let's do something. It's a distraction. Maybe I will cut this part of the video because it's not good at all. But meanwhile we register everything with the Mate 40 Pro. Okay, this is gone. Okay, this is gone. So empty, and oh, hopla. Yes, basically this is the realme GT Neo 2 Dragon Ball edition. What we can read without this is the 12 GB 256 GB of RAM. It's very beautiful, really. Let me make another picture here. And so I will drop that one, remove, just open, remove the plastic, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, remove everything, remove everything, remove everything. Okay, I don't have to lift my finger. Oh, it's getting down. Oh, okay, it's gone. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, let me zoom a bit wide. Okay, what also we have here? Beautiful. Wow. Okay. This is a conversion. Wow. Ah, the stickers. Amazing. Okay. Manual. Jump here. The device we check later. And here it is the box where there is. Okay, this I saw in the other unbox, very anonymous. And the charger is super dart. Okay, so This is what we have here. You make picture here. Oh, opla! Okay, remove the plastic. Remove this one. You make a picture here. Okay, great. This remove it. So this is the phone. It's absolutely beautiful, and let's test and check together later. Bye bye. Okay, let me do the final one. Bye.